Since building my tote rack and making the video, a common question I get is, how much can a bin hold? The short answer, over 300 pounds. And here's how I found out. Now, I didn't set out to necessarily break the bin, but I was totally prepared for the bottom to fall out or the flaps to buckle. But neither happened, and the rack itself didn't even budge. In fact, the hardest part was finding things small and dense enough to use for the test. With my build design, each flap hangs over the edge of the 2x4 by about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch. I started with 3 planters full of concrete. These are actually what get buried in my yard at Christmas to make my lighted tree stands. But between the 3, the total weight is 121.6 pounds. Then I just started adding anything that would fit in the bin until it eventually got too big and I had to just start stacking things up that would fit in the bin and not just spill over the edge. I piled everything in until I hit over 300 pounds. Now the bottom was bowing out and the flaps did start to protrude, but frankly, it wasn't budging. So I thought there's no reason to keep going. For starters, I was simply running out of room and things to put in there. But more importantly, there's no reason these bins should hold more than 300 pounds for both safety and practicality. It would be incredibly difficult to get them on and off the shelf, and whatever you have that is that heavy, like, I don't even know, bags of concrete or something, should have a more sturdy shelf built for it. And I only tested this for a few moments. While it didn't look like it was going to give out anytime soon, I can't say for certain how long it can hold 300 pounds for. So if you want to build one of these but were wondering if the tote bin or even the rack itself was able to support such heavy weight, here's your permission. It does. But if you are going to store this much weight, just make sure the rack is adequately secured to the wall, ceiling, or floor. Put the heaviest stuff at the bottom and don't fill every bin to its max weight. So I hope this was helpful, and if you're interested in building your own tote bin rack, check out my video for that. I'll put a link for it in the description below. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.